Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best silicone cups is probably one of the most versatile and eco-friendly choices for your daily hydration needs, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional plastic or glass. These innovative cups are designed for convenience, durability, and style, making them perfect for everything from your morning coffee on the go to a refreshing drink at home or even for your kids' snack time. With their unique foldable and collapsible nature, they are incredibly portable, fitting easily into your bag or pocket without taking up much space, which is a huge plus for anyone who is always on the move and looking for practical solutions. Number 5. Amazon Basics Silicone Baking Cups, 12-pack. Introducing our reusable baking cups, perfect for all your baking needs. They are also great for snacks and lunches, making them incredibly versatile. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, these cups are designed for repeated use. They fit any standard muffin pan and resist stains and odors. Enjoy easy food release thanks to their flexible and non-stick surface. You won't need any extra grease or cooking spray. These are safe for use in the oven up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. They are also microwave and freezer safe, offering ultimate convenience. Cleaning is a breeze as stuck-on messes slide right off with soap. Plus, they are completely dishwasher safe for your convenience. Each cup measures 2.9 by 2.9 by 1.3 inches, fitting perfectly into your standard muffin pans. This pack includes 12 assorted colors. What we like? These are your go-to for everyday baking. They offer a fantastic non-stick surface, making cleanup a breeze. If you're a home baker who loves making muffins and cupcakes without the hassle of greasing pans, these are perfect for you. What people say? The cups are made of food-grade silicone, which is safe for children and durable. They are easy to clean and dishwasher safe, saving time and effort. The suction base keeps the cups firmly in place, preventing spills and messes. Number 4. Nicpro Silicone Resin Measuring Cups Toolkit. Unleash your creativity with this comprehensive kit, designed for all your resin art projects. It includes everything you need to mix, pour, and create with confidence. This set features a large 250 ml cup and 4 100 ml cups, all made from flexible, non-toxic silicone. Their non-stick surface and angled pour spouts ensure easy, accurate pouring and effortless cleanup. Included are 4 silicone stirring sticks, offering a superior grip and easy resin peel-off compared to traditional stirrers. They are heat-resistant and safe for all your mixing needs. For smaller resin cups, perfect for precise measurements of small liquid volumes, come with long, deep spouts. This allows for accurate transfers, ideal for intricate details in your crafts. Transferring liquids is a breeze with the included 3 ml pipettes. Plus, 20 finger cots are provided to protect your skin from contamination, keeping your hands clean throughout the process. Whether you're working on resin art, glitter tumblers, jewelry, or waxing, this kit provides the essential tools for success. It's designed for convenience and professional results. What we like? For the crafters and DIY enthusiasts, these are a game changer. The precise pouring spout and included tools make mixing and pouring resins or paints incredibly accurate. If you're working on detailed craft projects like jewelry making or resin art, these will ensure your materials are mixed and applied perfectly. What people say? The product is very easy to clean. The silicone cups are durable and hold their shape well. These cups are perfect for baking and come out of the oven without sticking. Number 3. Lure Blue Silicone Cupping Therapy Set. Discover the benefits of professional cupping therapy with this complete set. It's designed to help you achieve deep tissue relief and muscle recovery. This kit provides everything you need for effective massage and myofascial release. Target tension and improve circulation with ease. Incorporate this into your wellness routine for cellulite reduction. Achieve a smoother, more refined skin appearance. Crafted from high-quality silicone, these cups offer a comfortable and safe experience. They are durable and easy to use for consistent results. Whether for athletic recovery or general well-being, this set empowers you to take control of your body's health. Feel the difference it makes. Enjoy the calming Lure Blue color while you rejuvenate. This set is your partner in achieving a healthier, more relaxed you. What we like? These are designed for wellness and recovery. They offer a simple yet effective way to perform massage and myofascial release. If you're looking for a natural way to relieve muscle tension, improve circulation, or target cellulite, this set provides a professional-grade solution. What people say. The cups are made of food-grade silicone, which is safe and durable. They are easy to clean and dishwasher safe. The flexible design makes them easy to store and transport. Number 2. IELEK 36-pack silicone cupcake liners. Make mealtime exciting with these vibrant, rainbow-colored liners in various shapes. They're perfect for encouraging even picky eaters to enjoy healthy meals. Say goodbye to messy paper liners. These non-stick silicone cups make releasing your baked goods a breeze, saving you time and money. Crafted from 100% food-grade silicone, these are free from harmful chemicals. They are safe for use in microwaves, ovens, and dishwashers, ensuring durability. These versatile cups are great for portion-controlled snacks, quick breakfasts, and a variety of desserts like muffins and chocolates. Discover even more uses. We're confident you'll love them. Enjoy a 24-month warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee for peace of mind. What we like. These are fantastic for adding fun and variety to your baking, especially for kids. The multiple shapes and bright colors make meals more appealing. If you want to make baking more exciting for children or need versatile liners for bento boxes and portion control, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The silicone cups are very durable and easy to clean. These cups are perfect for baking and hold their shape well. The non-stick surface makes releasing baked goods a breeze. Number 1. OXO Good Grip Silicone Measuring Cup. Introducing the OXO Good Grip Silicone Measuring Cup. This flexible cup is microwave safe, perfect for melting butter, chocolate, and other ingredients. Its unique honeycomb pattern on the outer wall ensures your hands stay protected from heat, even when it's hot inside. The thoughtfully designed shape makes it ideal for use with your immersion blender, simplifying your cooking and baking tasks. Crafted from durable silicone, this measuring cup is built to last and withstand frequent use in your kitchen. Enjoy the convenience of a tool that's both easy to use and simple to clean after every use. What we like. This is your ultimate kitchen companion for melting and precise pouring. The Stay Cool pattern ensures safety, and the squeeze and pour design makes it incredibly convenient. If you frequently melt butter or chocolate for recipes, or need to pour liquids accurately, this cup simplifies the process. What people say. These cups are made of high-quality silicone, making them durable and safe for food contact. The flexible design allows for easy storage and portability, perfect for on-the-go use. They are dishwasher safe, which simplifies the cleaning process significantly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.